Hi everybody, we're in South Bisbee, Arizona, where the town has preserved some of their oldest buildings and have added a few additional exhibits, and they've kept all the street stuff and added vehicles to make it look, well, to have it look like it was like still like 1955. So that was the Shell station. City Hall is still down here too. The real City Hall, the one that's operating today. So, technically this is Lowell, but it is part of Bisbee now. So, Thru was, back in the day, a separate town. Check out all these old automobiles. They're all privately owned. Check out the Gulf Station. Indian motorcycles, Harley Davidson, established in the 1880s. Some more historic gas pumps. And most importantly, I like is the Greyhound, the original signage, and an original Greyhound bus. And here comes one that's actually running. And there is the Lowell Police Department. And we are done. Thanks for watching. This is the news, so please rate, comment, and subscribe.